Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Port, where we tell you regarding the shipping information, export information, import information, and maritime industry, the cargo related information, the marine news, logistic news in this channel named Ship and Port. So today I will tell you regarding the concept of certificate of analysis. So what is the certificate of analysis? Certificate of analysis is a document which provides a detailed account of product specification and it's confirm the quality of the product. So it is a type of the certificate and which provides you the detailed information about the product, its specification and confirms the quality and hence they get the certified. So this is known as certificate of analysis. So what are the key points for the certificate of analysis? So if you check the key points of the certificate of analysis, then one is the quality assurance. The certificate of analysis validates that the product meets the specified quality standards. So it has got the standard regulatory detailed validation from the authority. The second is the ingredient disclosure. The certificate of analysis gives the all the detailed ingredients used to make the product and its breakdown, which also gives the detailed information about the material used in the product and its components. So in short, it gives the breakdown of the ingredients used in the product making. The third is a regulatory compliance. So regulatory compliance in the sense when that the cargo is under the custom clearance, then it should be meet the certain conditions of the customs and it's certain industry requirements of the customs. So it is often required by the customs or by the certain industries. So the key points are the quality assurance, ingredient disclosure, and regulatory compliance. I hope you like this video regarding the certificate of analysis and its short description. If you like this video, please share with your friend and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.